All right, so now I have created a prompt, and what I would like to do is basically run a full-fledged example with you guys. So we already have these pin items, so I'm gonna remove the pin items from here so that it can initiate a new call. And this data can stay there because my data didn't change so much. I'm interested in the 3rd of August session, super general level information, but not much that the AI could qualify me as a good lead or a bad lead. So I'm gonna also change the waiting time to 5 minutes. Maybe we can just do it 3 minutes so that we can make sure that the execution time is not too much and I don't talk too much on the internet. So we are pretty much ready for this step. I'm gonna refresh this page and make sure that I don't have any calls there. And also we go to this Google Sheet, remove the data so that we have a clean slate start for this one. So there we go. It's now in this waiting mode and I receive the phone call.
Hey, Amos Sayer. I'm Samantha, Amos AI agent. Do you have a minute to talk?
Yes, we can talk. What is it about?
Great. I'm reviewing applications for Amos Sayer's month-long n8n plus Vibe Coding Bootcamp cohort. And I'd love to ask you a few quick questions to see if it's a good fit for you.
Yes,
First,
go ahead.
what's your main motivation for joining this cohort? Okay, great. What excites you most about n8n? Are you still there?
Yes,
I'd
I'm
love
there.
to hear what excites you most.
So the main motivation I have is to learn building web and mobile applications with Cursor and with agentic workflows in the back end.
That's fantastic. Building web and mobile applications with Cursor and Agentech workflows sounds like a great goal. Do you think you'll have at least 4 to 6 hours each week to dedicate to your project, attend live sessions, and get
Actually,
feedback from
I'm
email
right now
and the group?
working 20 hours a week, more than that. Yes, I'm able to do that.
That's great to hear you have the availability. What's one specific thing you'd love to build or automate during the cohort? Even a rough idea is perfectly fine.
I would like to build an inbound and outbound voice call agent that could qualify leads.
That's an interesting project idea. An inbound and outbound voice call agent for lead qualification sounds very useful. Do you have a preference for how we communicate during the cohort? Would you prefer async communication like text, Loom, or Slack? Or do you prefer live video calls?
Actually, I prefer async because then I can kind of like consume the content on my own pace.
That's good to know. Knowing your preference for async communication helps us tailor the experience for you. Is there anything else you'd like Amal to know as he reviews your application?
No,
For
I
example,
just want
if you
to
have any
start.
specific...
I just want to start as soon as possible. But yeah, thank you so much for your call. Bye.
You're welcome. Thanks for taking the time to chat. I'll pass this information along to Amal. We'll be in touch soon regarding the next steps. Have a great day.
You too. Bye bye. So it was a nice little conversation. Still, we have like 30 seconds left for the waiting time to finish. As soon as the waiting time finishes, I expect it to go to get transcript, and by then the transcript is ready. And I believe ElevenLabs will release the webhook for this. That would be a better way to do it because this is kind of like waiting for something to finish is not a good way to do it. There we go. It is finished. It's now saving it. It already saved it in Google Sheets. Let's go and check it out. There we go. There's all the information that someone by the name of Emil Sire filled. And this is all the transcript that we got out of this. So what we're going to do next in the next video is good fit or not, something like we'll do some evaluations on this column so that we can put some AI agents to work to kind of, based on that transcription, evaluate whether this is a good fit or not a good fit based on the prompt that we'll write in that one. So what we have done here is literally an end-to-end test of what is going to become the voice AI agent, kind of like a skill set to this voice AI agent that I have called Samantha, my AI agent assistant that will evaluate my cohort participants and qualify them for the next lead, because I run these cohorts every first Sunday of the month, and there are hundreds of applicants, and I would like to make sure that I pick the right ones and place in the first place. So let's go to the next video and put an evaluation of that with an AI agent in place. Once that is done, and then we will switch everything to Supabase, and then we will start our vibe coding section. See you in the next video.